Who would have imagined that a pile of ordinary red bricks could be transformed into an impressive, multifunction outdoor stove? This young craftsman grew up in a family of traditional bricklayers and showed an unusual talent for construction from an early age. His mother, however, believed bricklaying was dirty, exhausting, and no longer a promising career. She encouraged him to learn phone repair instead. Eventually, she gave him 1 month to prove himself. If he failed, he would have to study phone repair. Under enormous pressure, he trusted his skills. In just 8 days, he independently built a fully functional outdoor stove made entirely from red bricks. After the project was uploaded online, it quickly attracted huge attention. Eventually, a customer offered 30,000 yuan for the rights to have a customized stove built. So, what makes this stove special? The craftsman carefully lays the red bricks with smooth, even mortar joints. On one side, he creates an arched structure, while the other forms a rectangular cooking area. He then fills the base with a compact mixture of soil and sand to provide insulation. Inside the oven, a thick layer of clay is added and shaped into a circular fire pit for charcoal cooking. Once everything is finished, he lights the wood inside. Flames quickly heat the brick oven, while meat and vegetables placed on the grill begin sizzling over the intense heat. Finally, the completed stove shows its true potential. A large pot boils on one side while meat roasts on the other, combining practical cooking with impressive craftsmanship. If you enjoy amazing handmade projects and creative inventions, subscribe to the channel for more.